Madam, if umuvu akufika i-retirement age yakhe, ifike ethi namhla ubhala incwadi umbhala embabani, so uyahamba, allow that person to go. Madam, what he's doing is coming here with the young ones, ashare laba khulile lemuva, so that we get donsile ukuthi uba renewal ema contracts. And when there is one man lengimatiko lengamfungela nekokuthi indvodza lena integrating minister of justice, you will remember nasingena la bokhansi bayazama yasenteni somani ungisite ngelela mina lakuncane. I had one minister justice athi akahle Dlamini kahle angafuni lutho, and I'm following his path. He's just a pure man here on this country, minister of justice. And but when it comes to this one, he's the very same minister who's signing that when angetelo eminyaka. Why are they tarnishing the good work the minister is doing? Bamsaynisela ntinto lokunganga. Many minister ngiqinisile kuthi sonke amadvodza la khona indvodza iqotho le. Indvodza leqotho ngisho kungathiwa iBhayibheli litsini nabangathi angikhulume ngathi ungayithola phi indvodza leqotho eSwatini, ngathi mina hamba uyobuka at the helm of the Ministry of Justice utayikhanza ngiPrincess Melane wakaDlamini indvodza leqotho. But ungoliswa correctional services ngekuthi amsayinise ema contract ebami laba retire babuye system. That's the only thing lengcolisa madam iyamgcolisa. And the chair ngifuna kumtshela madam namuhla ukuthi even the officers like ahamba nawo namhla they are angry about that. Lala hamba nawo namuhla nalala kawashele emuva, even the juniorest office, they are not happy. They are not now laughing at her, with her, but they are laughing with her chair. Abasena ndzaba naye sebanenzaba nalesitulo sakhe. Utawubona ngelanga aphuma inkosi imkhipha. They will not care about her. She can still do justice. Umfuna ka retire akahambe ayekhaya. Munye umfe correctional ekufuna abe ne contract, ngcommissioner general, because it's a political position. Le yakhe. Ngisho ngabana 80 sifuna yena because u political position. Uthini madam kunang officer lona 58 years, long deputy ngathini ngithi deputy head teacher ngibese deputy head teacher retire in 2 years. Azibona hey ngifake amandla ngisebenze. Kuthi ngelanga le retirement acanzi hayi batangibhayela ngiact, cha ngeliphepha lithi lona songedelwe 3 years. Uthini kulo asebende kulo 2 years. Ngingayikhuluma angathi kanjani lendzaba le, but it's very wrong. Yehlisa spirit sema officers kusukela to the highest rank kuya kulolo lephasi. Because lo lephasi akayuka phasi. Ithini succession plan, because correctional ayigcini ngamadem. Ayigcini ngabo deputy bakhe iyaqhubeka. Engcele lenye la ngiyophathwa ngimi. Ngawukhanza kubolile because lela balanze lakho abati lutho. Ipheli contract yakho niyamrenewela. Che, bayamthuka ke madam la ngaphandle. Nyalo. I'm here at parliament. I'm doing an oversight ngibuye esiveni. Nase bafika esigabeni lapho khona bathi kuze madam agree akusuye madam lo ngiyangimathi ukuthi ngibani noma umfana uSimelane, but nase kuthiwa kuze madam agrenewele icontract ufuna ufake lokuncane ku madam. That one is very wrong because siyamathi madam it's an upright person, but le tinto latendako tiyamgcolisa.